Hi there, we're going to go over this short video up to the Aguacate lookout. Here starting off on the corner of Manuel Diegues and Aguacate, right in the romantic zone south of the Cuale River on Aguacate Street, and Manuel Diegues, here is the diagram, and walking up Aguacate towards Francisca Rodriguez, which is the next street up. And from there we take the stairway, the Aguacate stairway up to Rodolfo Gomez Street. And here we're walking up. We can see that the way is rather sort of rough, so it's you have to be good at walking. Here we start the staircase up. You can see a shot from 2015, how it looked before. It was a problem. This staircase was used a lot for people going down from the hill, from the Alta Vista Colonia, what do you call the neighborhood? The Alta Vista neighborhood. And it was not well kept. So this Grupo Geva decided to invest, just as a nice gesture towards the inhabitants, and they installed this stairway and inaugurated it on March 9th, 2017. It's very well kept. The vegetation is growing happy and lush. The design is very nice. It fuses well with the general design of the area. Here you can see a few shots on the stairway of the romantic zone. And so it's a nice contribution to the area, helpful. It's well lit up, so people can use it both day and night. There's some bananas there, and it's it's a good, nice contribution to the area, especially considering how it looked before. Here you can see some shots. There's the parish of the Holy Cross, and in the background the Our Lady of Guadalupe parish, of course. That's the best known in the area. No, you can see a diagram of the stairway between Francisca Diegues and the top, which is Rodolfo Gomez. Here we're going up the last stairs almost. It's not considered actually a lookout, but it's a stairway, no? But because the view is so good, I've decided, if you don't like it, tell me in the comments. I've decided to categorize it as a lookout too, because it has a nice view, a unique view from the south side looking north. That's useful. Here's the start and the end of this video, and showing that we're going up here the last stairs, right, and installing ourselves right beside the Palomar de los Gonzales restaurant. Here's the end, right a few 40 meters up the hill is Rodolfo Gomez, the street. Here's Palomar de los Gonzales. Has a great view, well known for that, and it's a great place to have some drinks and watch a sunset and have a great view of the Viejo Vallarta, the old Vallarta, or romantic zone as it's known now. You can see the La Cruz Hill here in the background, which would be the place where you have the La Cruz lookout. Have some good view of the church, of the romantic zone and the bay area. Here's a shot from the top. A great place to visit. I hope you visit it, and send me your comments if you like it. If you like the video, please comment on it, give it a like and share if you want to. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.